What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos. Let me know what you think of everything. Click the bell icon so you're aware of all the drops. Join the Discord as well for a bit of behind the scenes stuff. I do post there what I'm dropping before I drop it anywhere. And yeah, that's the main place where you can contact me. Let's get straight into this boring old Nike sportswear box. I'm actually tired of saying that. Please, Nike, listen to me and change the box. But yeah, straight into what the label says. So it does say Nike Air Max 95. The colorway on this is black, Volt, iron grey, cool grey. They definitely missed out a color there. Wait. Yeah, why did they miss out a color on this pair? I was getting confused. They definitely missed out a color on that, which is odd. But yeah, size 11, US, UK 10, BR 43, centimeter 29, Euro 45. Style code is FD97520001 and they are made in Indonesia. Let's get straight into them. So straight off the bat, you can see what they are. They are the Nike Air Max 95 Kiss My Airs, and there was no mention of like this royal blue for some reason on the box. It did say grey, but you know, they can't write every color. These are literally Marmite, if I'm honest with everyone. Some people hate these, some people love these, some people have two pairs. I'm not some people, I only have one pair to be honest, but I really like these. They've grown on me more. I was going to skip on them. I did have a promo, so I got these below retail. You know, you can't say no when they're below retail. But let's just get into the colorway quick. Look at that. Volt on the bottom. So we got the Volt and black going on there. Very nice, man. I have to say, I love that color, man. Midsole, plain black. However, the air bubbles, as you can see, this one's like a royal blue and these are Volt. I love that, to be honest. I really like split colored bubbles, but it does depend on the shoe. If they are weird, I don't like it, but on this pair, yes, I love that. I think it's just different, it's just pops. Then we've got kind of like a safari elephant type print on the bottom. First gradient, so you know this is like based on like a normal gradient. Then we got grey. We do have a tab that says Kiss My Airs, and then we've got another pair like a cement grey type elephant print. We've got the Volt swoosh on the back stitched in. Then we've got mesh. It is white, but it's kind of off-white, very light greyish mesh, to be honest, because if you just compare it, it looks a bit different. The same as this bit of the gradient we've got on the front. So we've got that wolf grey / dark grey, wolf grey type of elephant print going on there. Lace loops, we've got the royal blue ones. Got the 3M material on the tongue. Reflective laces, as we all love reflective laces. And then the Air Max logo. Look how clean that Air Max logo looks, man. Air Max with the Volt around it. Black, grey, bit of white, and then the royal blue. White tongue. Just one pair. Well, one thing I don't like about certain pairs or a lot of Air Max 95s, the sock liner when it's white. You know, I've worn these once for 5 minutes to do the on foot, and look, it's already got like random bits of things there. So you know, from the socks, and there's actually hair in there. I don't know where that came from, but that's like very weird. It does get dirty. You know, the color does change. The white liner, I obviously do know why they put the white liner, because it does pop, but I just prefer the black one all the time, or any other color, just not white, because it's a bit too prone to getting dirty. Like they could have done grey, etc. The back, we've always got that reflective 3M on the back as well. I love it, man. I love 95s with 3M. The gradient, bit of volt here, bit of blue, amazing. I really do like the colorway, to be honest. Definitely again was gonna skip, didn't skip because I got them cheaper. Full price, to be honest, I weren't paying and I didn't want to pay. But at the discounted rate, I think they were about 130, which is off from about 170. You know, 130 is alright. I can deal with that, but it's still kind of pricey, to be honest. I'd rather just pay 100. But these days, a bit messed up the game. But yeah, let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you got a pair. I do know some people doubled up because they got the promo. I don't think the promo is on at the moment, so don't be mad at me if you can't get them cheaper. I don't apologize either because it's out of my control. But let me know what you think about these. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, join the Discord if you wish. I'll be posting an on-foot video very shortly of these, and also I will be posting an on-foot video separate, so make sure you watch that, watch this, watch everything. Take care, my people.